Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about software cloud computing, the future of technology. What is software cloud computing? Software cloud computing is the delivery of software applications over the internet. This means that you can access software applications from anywhere with an internet connection without having to install them on your own computer. Software cloud computing is becoming increasingly popular as it offers a number of benefits over traditional on-premises software, including cost savings. Software cloud computing is typically less expensive than on-premises software, as you do not have to purchase and maintain your own hardware and software. Scalability. Software cloud computing is highly scalable, so you can easily add or remove resources as needed. This makes it ideal for businesses that experience seasonal fluctuations in demand. Agility. Software and cloud computing can help you to be more agile and responsive to business changes. You can quickly deploy new applications and services without having to invest in new hardware and softwares. Reliability. Software cloud computing is typically highly reliable. Cloud providers have redundant systems in place to ensure that your applications and services are always available. Why is software cloud computing the future of technology? Software cloud computing is the future of technology for a number of reasons. The rise of the internet. The internet is becoming increasingly ubiquitous, and more people have access to high-speed internet connections. This makes it possible to deliver software applications over the internet to a wide range of users. The decline in the cost of computing. The cost of computing has been declining for many years. This makes it more affordable for cloud providers to offer softwares and cloud computing services. The increasing demand for agility and scalability. Businesses today are more than ever before facing the needs to be agile and responsive to change. Software cloud computing can help businesses to meet the needs by providing them with a way to quickly deploy new applications and services and to scale their resources up or down as needed. The growing importance of data. Data is becoming increasingly important to businesses of all sizes. Software cloud computing can help businesses to manage and analyze their data more effectively. That's examples of software cloud computing in use. Software cloud computing is being used by businesses of all sizes in wide variety of industries. Here are some few examples. Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud-based customer relationship management platform that is used by businesses of all sizes to manage their customer interaction. Workday is a cloud-based human capital management system that is used by business to manage their employees' payroll, benefits, and performance reviews. Google Workspace. Google Workspace is a suite of cloud-based productivity tools that includes Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, and Google Sheets, Google Slides, and Google Drive. Microsoft Office 365 is another suite of Google-based productivity tools that includes Outlook, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and OneDrive. That's all. Thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care. Bye bye.